You already know what's happening, it's no news. I didn't decide to use my mic today, so yeah, we are using TTS Laugh Out Loud. Yeah, they should be co-owners. Something changed to the teammaker's place, that's cool. Made my first model. Happy 4th of July. Oh great, I just refreshed the page, so now I have to go back 80fxcking pages. For Christ's sake, please send me. Alright, since this thing is fricking 80 pages long, let's just go to 10. The creator is my fame friend. Harry, do you like my Halloween costume? It looks nice.
Does Oliver have a group? Lol. Judging it, bro.
Okay guys, it's time for
Lego
Lego
Mikey. It's a robot, alien, Snow White thing, XD. No. Just say, enter raffle and you will be in. Enter raffle. This guy never got in. You lied to us. Enter raffle. I should get extra because I'm your family friend. Enter raffle. Man, a lot of people want to be in this raffle thing. What? I'm your family friend, Harry! I'm triggered! I'm telling Lauren, JK, what if Lauren never existed in the first place? I'm JK because you would kill me if I did that. Wait, the shirt for someone was for Kim! Rip off, Harry. No, that was a long time ago when Hazzy made that. December 19th, 2015 by Hazzy Player. This is obviously not Hazzy Player free, so screw off. I don't know. Happy Halloween, guys.
This is Halloween.
I'm sorry. No, you're not!
You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not.
She left. I know, right? No one was talking to you. Donated again. Thank you. Hello, it's me, Cat Oliver's friend. Happy late Thanksgiving. I'm not reading that. Sorry, I am out of Robux, so I can't donate XD. Maybe next year when I get good scores. Yes, hello again. Harry, it's me. Tags. Your brother's friend and a little brother. Can I have Builder or whatever it is? The group is dead. Oh my god, hello Oliver's brothers. Guys, come on, don't give up.
Your dreams come true. Do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible.
Guys, always persuade your dreams. Team makers are cool and amazing. Don't give up because I donate you music 400 Robux before. If you leave music 259 Robux is trashed. No. A silent moment from my toilet. All hail my toilet. Rest in peace to my friend's toilet. My toilet. I think this group will come back. Little did he know, it never would. It will. Can this guy hear my microphone or something? Nice job for getting 100 members. Thanks. Nice, man. Happy super late New Year. I forgot to say this. This was posted in February, so yeah. It's okay. This was posted the same day that Cole's admin house got updated. Donated. XD. Hey, I have an idea. Add another donator rank. Or super donator rank. Scammers. He's scamming you into making him want to donate to himself. You better stop this, team makers. Oh yeah, totally Ninja Master isn't a scammer. Oh yeah, Ninja is totally not a scam. Oh no, not this girl. Say ABC if you have the chance of being a good builder. That will rank you up. ABC. N. O. No to you, lady. No scammer, oh my lord. Vampire boy, you have a day to claim your Robux. If you don't reply, you won't be getting them. This girl's a freaking scammer. Where's Hazzy Player, the real owner? Butter Pancakes to the new official owner of this group. Original creators giving the group to Butter Pancakes. ABC. I think Hazzy just straight up gave up on life. Why it's not me? Because you're a noob. Why the fund? Because of that, I gotta leave the group. He never returned. Goodbye, everyone. Bye, Q.
What's going on back there? Nothing, it's Q.
Dame Robux. Butter.
Thanksgiving dinner, these two old gals is talking about what they're glad about, and I was like, well, I really like butter.
Yes.
Wrong. Harassment. Offensive item?
Yes.
Butter, please Robux.
No.
Okay, I'm back on Team Makers. Woof woof, kids. Yay, I got Robux. Never mind. Alright, y'all, I'm finally going to bed. See yous. Thanks for making Team Makers such an amazing group. Hopefully, you can continue to make amazing games. Like the new logo? I made it. Yes. Okay, I don't know how this girl isn't banned yet. First of all, and second of all, how is she still the owner of this group? She should be banned by now because she said,
Yes.
like she said it many times as well. Thanks. Red, because every other color is boring and I like knives and blood. Pink because it's a pretty color and it looks beautiful. LOL. Chat is dead. Can I join the clan? I think he's in a little too much groups. Help. Way too many groups, obviously. Sure. I'm not a friend. Can you do favor? Please, favor? Lol, he came from my streams. One of my streams, XD. He's basically a fan. I don't think he should be in the clan. Oh! Me?
Yes.
Justin is still in the clan and Simon is trans? Well, hello everybody. I got a temp ban for one day because of loud audio. So I won't be active the next 12 hours. I'll be at school 1 hour and 40 minutes, which means I'll be at home at 3, so I'll be home waiting for 4 hours just to be unbanned. Yeah, anyways, keep building. Frosted Donuts.
Guys, I got banned again. Because I use an audio from Lavo. What the hell is this? Oh my gosh. This is the audio.
Frosted Donuts and Frosted Oreos! I wanna be a hero! Drown in a video!
The audio, and I got banned for a day for it. Believe this.
Whoa, this group has changed a lot since me, Hazzy, and Scott were on here. Whoa, this group has changed a lot since me, Hazzy, and Scott were on here. Those were the good old days. I did it again like last recording. Crap, I kept my microphone down and I had to repeat what I said. Gosh dang it. Sorry if I do that, guys. Snoring Kim, if you would like, we could make it like it used to be. At least I'm not taking over Hazzy knows me and not a stranger. It's fine, but I need a favor from you. Please tell Hazzy that I'm very sorry for saying the stuff I did about the group. I didn't mean to. I was just mad having a bad day and I was wrong. And I never should have done that to him, especially since he was a really good friend. Thank you.
I still love you!
Yeah, me too. What? Eek. I'm not reading all 80 pages of this group's wall because, like, if you go down here, I went through at least more than 30 pages in this. So if you guys want me to read through all of the pages, except for 10, like all the pages through 10, I'll do that. But we have to hit 10 likes to do that. No, we have to hit 15 likes to do that. All right. And the deadline for the like is, I don't know. Funds 13 Robux. At least this group that Noah's in has Robux on here. Let's just go. Learner. I'm a learner. Frosted Doritos. Bosses. Noah's in the bosses. So yeah. He can donate to himself. Wait, is there even a donate? No, there's not even a donate thing. Pfft. Not a builder yet. 96. Oh my god. That's going to be the end for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Because I did this for you guys. And I also did for me because it's really fun making these videos. P.S. Butter pancakes, if you're watching this video, I'm so sorry.